Hi guys, it's your boy Ofentse once again. Thank you guys for all the support you're giving me, liking my videos and also subscribing to my channel. As you know, I'm back with another topic. Basically, guys, today I'll be sharing much more about exposing the real truth behind forex trading. Guys, let's get one thing straight. What you basically see out there, it's mostly untrue. What people are selling you is mostly untrue. Basically, most people, with my experience in forex trading, I've noticed that most of the trading mentors or the trading gurus, they introduce people because of their lifestyle, which is wrong. Understand? Which is wrong according to my opinion, but someone else will see it as a leverage. You understand? They'll see it as a way of doing their marketing. Guys, the answer is in the chat. If you do have a mentor but can't analyze with you or can't even take the same trade with you, guys, you have a wrong mentor. I'll tell you one thing. The real truth is because that specific mentor, you'll find that he's overcame the risks. He knows how to risk. He knows how to place his trade. So basically, some of the mentors trade without using a stop loss. You coming into forex trading, you're having a small account, then you take the trades, and then they are able to hold even 2-3 days. Then the trade comes back to into profit. They only show you guys profit. I'll tell you one thing, guys. You need to do your own research. You need to go to Google. You need to do more research on YouTube. Guys, don't be lazy. Don't just be following trends. Don't just be enrolling for a course because you see a certain individual has bought a new vehicle. Guys, I'll tell you one thing. Forex trading is not an overnight thing. You're not going to get in and make money tomorrow. It's not going to happen. I'll be honest with you. It's not going to happen. But what I can tell you is that the amount of time you put in on the chart will basically minimize the amount of time it will take you to conquer the forex market and be successful. What I'm saying is that in my forex course, the 2.0, Forex Heroes 2.0, I share the secrets, I share the psychology, I share the risk management. Basically, I share the mistakes that I did. Basically, having a mentor will basically assist you to avoid the mistakes that I made. Most of the courses that I've seen, they fail at one thing. They don't offer psychology platform or psychology trading, risk management. So basically everyone is just taking the strategy and trading in their own way. They are risking basically based on the account size. The risk that you put, whether you are having $100, whether you're having a $500, a $10,000 account, should be the same. The risk management applies to all accounts, whether big or small. So if you say your risk plan is 1%, one risk ratio is to 3 reward, 1:3 or 1:2. So basically what I do, I don't trade trades that are 1:1. It's either 1:2 or more. That's it. That's the trades that I take. Those are the trades that gives me high probability. And I take trades based on not one confirmation. I'll use my trade line. I'll use my chart patterns. I'll use my other confirmations, candlestick formations, or any other type of confirmation that I can come across. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys, the truth about forex trading is that it's not an overnight thing. We all take risks in life, but learn to take calculative risks. You understand? Learn to understand that this journey is not an overnight journey. Learn to understand this is a business, because most people tend to make people understand that you get into forex today and then tomorrow you're successful. There's many people that have been in forex trading and they're still not successful. They're still not having profitable trades. They're still not consistent. It's because of one thing: patience, mindset, psychology. You need to be able to deal with your psychological part of trading. Leave the money out for now if you are a new beginner. Focus on the mindset. Prepare your mind. Don't be confused or panic whenever you see a trade going in negatives. Don't panic whenever you're going into loss. You understand? Multiple tries will lead to you eventually being successful in Forex trading. Get time, sacrifice time that you used to do other things and put it into your charts. Learn to understand that at times you will feel lonely, at times you'll feel like giving up. Prepare yourself for that time so that when that time comes, you are strong enough to handle those struggles, you are strong enough to handle those losses. Learn to be informative. You understand? Whenever you join Forex Heroes 2.0, we assist members. We give you videos, and then after completion of the videos, you get an advantage of booking an online mentorship with myself. Bring all your questions, bring everything, I'll guide you through it. We also have weekly sessions, which is your webinar and your mentorship session. So all the members bring their questions as well. Learn to understand that with Forex trading, if you treat it like a business, it will pay you like a business. If you treat it like a get-rich-quick scheme, basically you will be gambling, blowing your accounts multiple times, end up not having motive. Create passion. We all understand, I understand most people that say you must have passion for something. Myself, as I was born, I never knew anything about Forex, but with research, I ended up getting to know more about Forex. Create passion. Learn to love the charts. You cannot say you were born to do something without trying. Create passion. Create a drive within that Forex trading. Most soccer player individuals are only best at what they do because they practice. They practice. That's when they've eventually created and eventually show that they have a talent in this. If they never tried, they wouldn't know. They will be in another career. So what I'm trying to say to you, learn to try and deviate away from what is happening on all social media platforms. Most people will only show you profits, they wouldn't show you their entries. They wouldn't show you their analysis. In the premium group, I send analysis and I also show the members where I put my stop loss. I guide you step by step. Your problems, you bring them to me, I bring solutions. I'm the solutions to your Forex trading problems whenever you are Forex Heroes 2.0 member. That's one great thing. One thing I like to tell you again, guys, each and every life career, it's a risk on its own, but learn to minimize the risks. We're not saying you're not gonna lose into Forex trading, but minimize the losses, maximize your profits. That's the 2.0 strategy. That's the ultimate goal. I'm very happy when I see premium members withdrawing their profits. Learn to understand that this is all about you. Don't compete, don't compare yourself to other traders. Competition and comparison is the thief of happiness. You'll end up thinking that you cannot do it. But one thing I'll tell you, I've been there, hence I'm sharing this with you. I've been there, I've encountered situations whereby I felt like, no, I'm about to give up. But the minute I said that, I told myself, I'm not a loser, I'm a winner. I'll keep on trying and trying until I get it right. So the main truth most people won't tell you, Forex trading is not easy, but in Forex Heroes, we simplified the strategy, making it much more easier to understand. So you giving all your time, putting in the work, practicing, sending your analysis, asking questions, will basically limit the amount of years, 5-10 years, will basically reduce it. You can even be a profitable trader within 6 months or 3 months, depending on how much work you put into the charts, how much dedication you put in. Inspire yourself. Look at other traders that are making it, but don't be caught up in a mindset of trying to be like them. You understand? Don't be like them. Be better than yourself. Be better than the individual you see in the mirror. Most people tend to think that some of the traders they started yesterday, you'll find yourself competing with someone who's been there 10, 15 years back. He's already mastered this, tried many strategies, but you just a beginner now. You're trying to, and you're saying now you want to withdraw $1 million. Now you only joined the Forex course yesterday. It's not gonna happen. 2 days later, you blew your account because you wanna trade like that person. That person has already accumulated enough capital that he knows that even if he goes over margin on his account size, he over leverages and then he blows account, he can deposit immediately. Even if it's $1,000 or $5,000 account, he knows he's sorted. Are you in that position to risk $1,000 now and then withdraw the next day if you blow the account? No, don't trade like that. Create a mindset, create a portfolio, learn to understand this is a journey. This is a marathon. It's not a race. You're not competing with anyone. You're only competing with yourself. If you can get that through your head, I tell you, you will be successful at this thing. Most important things: risk management, psychology. You need to understand these two, that there will be losses, but losses are not a solution to giving up, are not a shortcut to giving up. Losses should motivate you. Losses should bring you back into the chart and be able to back test and understand, why did I lose this trade? Why I won this trade? As long as you can come back to your charts and be able to understand it, then you are creating a drive. Don't just be happy with profits and not being able to go back and say, no, okay, I understand. This was a winning trade. A trading plan is very important. Don't trade whatever that's not in your trading plan. Don't take a trade if it doesn't meet your minimum requirements that are in a trading plan. Because you get into a trade, you only see a support. What's your next confirmation? Don't ever take a trade only because you see a double bottom. I ask my 2.0 members, if you are taking this, say, what's your reasons? You need to have reasons so that even when you lose that trade, you're able to sit down, but I followed my proper risk management. I followed my proper trading plan. It was not the right trade. They hit your stop loss, or it was a market manipulation. So learn to understand that the real truth about Forex trading, the charts will pay you guys. Leave everything clouding your brain. Everything that's out there, it's all not true. It's all not true. You see people posting results. You see people, guys, the answer is in the charts. Practice will make perfect. No one was born a master. Every master was once a student. Learn to understand that every master was once a student. I was also a student before. Hence, I managed to be successful and be profitable. That's when I decided that I'm going to share this with the people who are struggling. Hence, I created this course because I was getting a lot of DMs. People were requesting one-on-one sessions. So I decided, okay, let me just make a course that will cater for each and everyone. So with that being said, you get to understand that the main reasons that you are not being profitable in Forex trading, it's mostly because you are following mostly what people are doing. So learn to understand that this journey is not easy. You will be profitable if you stay dedicated. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. The Forex Heroes 2.0 is available. Guys, subscribe for signals. Click the link below and join the only Forex education you've been looking for. I'm 100% dedicated to helping you guys. It's your head mentor from Forex Heroes. I will be giving you guys all the guidance and dedication. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. Subscribe and share with your friends and families.